Hey, I'm Paul Hockman for the New Simple. Okay, two words you almost never hear in the same breath. Comfortable and cubicle. Yes, for 8 hours a day, we fit ourselves here. Holy sciatica! Yes, it's time to start making your office fit you. One powerful solution, a fully adjustable Goldtouch keyboard. It turns out that most conventional keyboards force your body into unnatural positions. Elbows in, wrists flat, hands bent. That can cut way into your comfort and productivity. It can even do real damage, but Goldtouch keyboards adjust to match your natural position. Say the angle of your arms or the twist of your wrists. This patented ball and lever device connects the two halves, letting you create the perfect keyboard shape and angle for your body in just a few seconds. Result? Comfort, productivity, your office life made to fit you. You want to see how to set up a Goldtouch keyboard? Well, check out the next video.